Hello guys, welcome to KM Academy. Today I'll be teaching you how to install Visual Studio 15. So in case you don't have the setup already downloaded, you can find the download link below my video description. So this is my Visual Studio Enterprise and this is how the setup looks like. Okay, so double click on it. Okay, so this is Visual Studio and the setup has been initiated. Okay, so on this interface is asking for an internet connection, just trying to update it. So if you wish to update the setup, you can go ahead and click on the retry to make sure it's activated to update, but if not, just click on the continue button. So it says, first of all, choose your installation location. You can decide to change the default installation location, because after the installation the files are kept under your drive C programs files 86 Microsoft Visual Studio 14.0 folder. You can decide to change this. The setup requires up to 9 gig across all drives. So if you have less than 9 gig, I think you should delete some of your files before you can install Visual Studio 15. Another option is for you to choose the type of installation, either you're using default or custom. So the default will install C# VB web and desktop features. Let's go to the custom just to show you how it always works there. So click on next. So under the custom, you have the chance to select features. You have your programming language. Let's collapse that one. Under programming language, I have C++, Visual F#, Python tools for Visual Studio. Under the window and web development, I have my ClickOnce, publishing tools, my light switch, Microsoft Office developer tools, Microsoft SQL Server Data Tool, Microsoft Web Developer Tools, PowerShell Tools for Visual Studio, which is a third-party, Silverlight Development Kit, Universal Windows App Development Tools, Windows 8.1 and Windows Phone 8.0 or 8.1 tools, cross-platform mobile development, common tools. Okay, so these are the features under the custom, so you can decide to check on any of these which you wish to install. And mind you, any selection you do select adds another space required for this installation. So you could see after clicking on my click once publishing tools, it adds 1 gig space to the 9, making it 10 here. Let me uncheck it because I don't need it for now. So click on back, then select default. So today we'll be using the default installation type. Click on install. This would be taking, let's say, 45 to 15 minutes for a complete installation, depending on your computer's speed. So I'll leave it like this. After then, I'll initiate the Visual Studio and show you the next step to follow. So practically, let me narrate how I got into software development. When I was in school, a team of developers came by to say they are interested in people to train in Android system development. I was interested though, but I decided to learn it on my own. So I quickly grabbed my Visual Studio and started doing some little coding in it. What I would say is, as a startup developer, you should do a lot of research. Try to get 3 ways to solve one problem. At least 3 ways to solve one problem. Do not only rely on one way to solve a problem, because the more you research on ways to solve your specific problem, the more enlightened you become in programming. And never procrastinate when it comes to software development. Always do your best to do the things you have to do at the right time. Never procrastinate. So you can see our Visual Studio is still installing, and it's gonna take some few more minutes to complete. And after that, we could switch back and discuss the next thing to do. So this is all about installing Visual Studio. Once it's done, you click on the finish button. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page.